Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey and today I'm going to be revealing the teaser of Swami Marathi Asmita by Swami Group located in Sector 2, Chakop, Kandivali West. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right here is the actual land parcel. The construction work is ongoing. You may also have a look at the main road. This side of the road leads you to the main road and the right side leads you to the link road. In this video, we are going to be covering the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers, and many more. But before moving ahead, let me also give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which actually leads to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Now talking about project overview, so this project will be made on a land parcel of 800 square meters with single tower, ground plus 21 floors with configuration of 2 BHK. Now talking about the connectivity, as I mentioned, this project is located in Sector 2, Kandivali West with metro station at a distance of just 10 minutes, Kandivali railway station at a distance of 4 kilometers and coastal road at a distance of just 200 meters. School, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this project has all basic amenities which includes gym, jogging track, garden, kids play area and many more. Talking about the carpet area, as I mentioned, this project has only one configuration, 2 BHK, having carpet area ranging from 680 square feet to 1800 square feet. Now talking about the booking process, so our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where a sales team will help you with the complete project details, will also help you with the actual flat and the sample flat, will also help you with the payment and EMI scheme. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the token amount. The token amount for the configuration is going to be 10% of the agreement value. So everyone, this was the teaser of Swami Marathi Asmita by Swami Group located in Sector 2, Chakop, Kandivali West. To get more information about this amazing property, you need to download the e-brochure given below. And to know more about such amazing properties, also have a look at the icon button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.